The Safety and Health Committee Award is awarded to a workplace safety and health committee that takes an active role in their organization's safety and health program. Committees that win this award promote the safety message, and they work actively to address safety and health concerns in their workplace. Congratulations to the Kronos Group for winning this year's award.
I'm Dr. Margot Story. I am the Senior Manager of Extraction and Separation at the Kronos Group. We've been really striving in the last year to enhance our safety training, making sure that everybody fully understands WHMIS, safe chemical handling, fire response, and all of that. We're in a fairly new field of the cannabis industry and a bit unique for most of the cannabis producers in the fact that we are a manufacturing facility.
I'm Christopher Forfar. I am a research associate at Kronos Fermentation here in Winnipeg, and I'm also a member of the safety committee. We have a lot of processes that we kind of refine. As an R&D group member, I design the processes, as well as a safety committee member, kind of refine some of those processes to make sure they're being performed safely.
We are dealing with a diverse range of people with safety experience. To help overcome this, we have really focused on training our supervisors and mid-level staff to make sure that anybody who's coming in gets the proper safety training on day one, so the strides we've made within the site don't get lost as new people join.
We actively do recruit for safety committee members. We talk to employees all the time, asking what their concerns are, if they have any ideas or suggestions for us.
Anybody who's coming to us with concerns are being treated with respect and with confidentiality. We make sure that the root cause analysis is not looking for blame, but really trying to drive down to the root cause, whether it's systems or operations, so we can actually truly fix the long-term problem instead of just trying to address one employee's issue.
We put a lot of hard work into everything we do, so it's kind of nice to show that our fellow employees and our company that we're kind of strive to be the safest that we can be.
It's really nice to get some recognition. Usually when you're involved in a committee like this at work, you work under the radar in a lot of cases, so it's a pleasure to be nominated and to win the award, to show the team that what they do matters.